What's going on? In this video, we're going to look at how you can set up your user account page if you decide to build a custom software, whether it's a custom internal tool for your business and your employees, or you're looking to build this tool for other businesses, other people to use. We're going to use two examples for this. And the first example we're going to look at is Asana. So if you look at Asana here, you notice on the user settings page, what are some things that they have? You can change your name. You can change your email. You can put about me. You notice that this settings page is kept very simple. There's not a whole lot going on here. You can't change projects that you're working on here. You can't add new tasks. You can't add people to join. The settings page is kept very simple just for settings. When people are using an application, they're using a software, and they're coming to the settings, it's usually because they want to change something. And so that now is not the time to make it too difficult or not easy for them to make that change. So when considering how to set up your settings page for your software, keep it as simple as possible. Make it easy to be able to go in and change things. You look at the account page here, again, security, logout. And one thing that you also notice about their settings is they've actually broken it up because they could have put, you notice here there's what, 6 or 7 different tabs. They could put everything on one huge page and you just scroll, scroll, scroll. But you notice they've broken up everything to make it easy for the user to understand, okay, maybe I want to edit something with the display of my software here. So I'm going to come here, display, boom, I can change the light, go back to dark, go back to light. And so you're making it as easy as possible. So when it looks at the setting page, you don't need to have every type of setting in there. Of course, you have to look at what's important for you and your software. But you want to make it as easy as possible, even if you have to break it up like how they broke it up, to make changing information for the user as easy as possible. I'm going to come here now. This also is an example of a software I created. In this case, this tool is actually used to take pictures, take images, and document them for whatever purpose you might need, and also to add captions or descriptive information about each image. But if you come here, you notice the profile. Look how simple it is on the account page. You can change the name, you can change the email, change information with your password, and delete the account. Again, now on the profile page, you want to be able to add a new project or add a second user. When it comes to making these user account pages, people are coming in to change information. So the user experience is very important. You want to make it as easy as possible for your users, the people using your application, to make these changes. So I hope this video was a little bit helpful. If you're thinking of building an app for your business, building an app for other businesses, for other people, about how you can actually make it easy to use. If you have any questions or you want me to help you out with the user experience of your software, please feel free to reach out. My information is down below. But once again, I hope this video was helpful just to help you see a little bit about how to set up the profile page of your app.